Check out this wild video here showing a roof collapse at a Bash's grocery store in Glendale. That falling ceiling leaving tons of mess in its wake. Now, it happened near 75th Avenue and Thunderbird Road early this morning. The Peoria Fire Department says it's investigating how that roof collapsed, but firefighters say it was likely caused by heavy monsoon rains. This is another look in still images there. That gives you a better picture of what happened, showing just how far up that ceiling stands and just how far down all that debris fell. Just awful. The grocery store was evacuated and at last check has not reopened. We'll bring you the very latest as we learn more this afternoon.